Yeah! Are you looking at kickstarting preparations for your CBAP exams and you are completely frustrated because you don't know where exactly to start? Don't worry, come closer, I have something for you. So I just launched a 5-series step-by-step guide on how to prepare you for your CBAP exam, starting here with the first step. At the end of this tutorial, you will understand life before CBAP, why you need to go for CBAP, some considerations before CBAP, common mistakes, prep, and so much more, leaving you with a firm background of where and how to start, and also getting you all pumped up for stage 2. If this sounds like sweet music to your ears, come along, let's go do some work.